Hello! So here we are back in Cape Town and we're trying a lot of new equipment for 2024 from F1 and I'm gonna talk with you about the new handles. All F1 wings in 2024 is gonna have changeable handles. Amazing. So now it's something for all of you with different needs. All the wings comes with the soft handles that actually not super soft. I really like these ones. I've been riding them for the last 2 weeks here. They're a little bit tighter, closer to the wing, so everything is quite locked in. And they are a little bit thinner, I would say, than last year. Nice and square feeling, you really have a good grip on them. So all the wings comes with them on all the models. And then you have options. So changeable, so you see the strut here. On the strut there's no hard pieces that you can cut yourself on, that's going to break easy. So everything is soft pieces that you connect yourself with. Super nice construction. This is something you can see that F1 worked really hard with to get a really good solid construction. So the semi-rigid handles are the ones that are on here now. So they're a little bit harder. They have a stronger base where they're connected, so you see. And they sit a little bit further up from the wing. And that helps you definitely when you pump. You're going to get started, the wing's a little bit further away from your hands, but you still have a nice and rigid feeling. But you can generate really nice speed with the wing, or generate power with the wing. Also, it's more space when you're going to change, you're going to do jibes and stuff. You prefer it to be bigger. Super nice option. So just show you a little close-up. As we see here, they are the ones that comes with the wing. Super nice. Let me get closer here. You're gonna see here with the construction. So you can see, nothing is moving, everything is stuck. The back handle is a little bit longer, a little bit closer to the strut. Super nice construction. This is something that you're gonna like. Other option is gonna be rigid handles, hard all the way. Same construction, but this one's going to be hard all the way. And the last options for all the freestylers out there, or the old windsurfers, it's going to be boom. So that is pretty awesome. So all the models going to have it: the Strike V4, the Swing V4, the CVC V4, and the Origin, the new wing. So that's something we're really stoked about. Get the opportunity to try one, get a feeling for it. This is something that, like, F1 wings always been known for being super light, really balanced, very precise. But there's been some people that really wanted some different kind of feelings with the wing, and some people did their own hard handles. Now you have the option. You can do exactly whatever you want. You get exactly the preference that you like, and you're gonna have an awesome wing. All the gear is looking amazing for this season, so get on it, try some gear, demo, test, and get your feeling for yourself. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm going for a session. Cape Town is delivering. It's always a good session here when you have foil gear, eh?